What's up, traders? Welcome to another section of the Greatness FOREX Academy. It's weekend, and want to quickly work on the weekly FOREX forecast. Let's see the pairs will be added to our watch list this coming week. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the chart and see what we've got. Now, as you can see, for the previous week, we have Euro CAD running risk-free, CAD JPY running risk-free, USDJPY running risk-free, USDCHF running risk-free, CAD CHF running risk-free, and EURUSD running risk-free. As you can see, this pair has Japanese yen as a base, quote currency, and they are correlated. Euro and EURUSD both have EuroCAD and EURUSD both have Euro as their base currency, and they are correlated. And as you can see, CAD CHF has both CHF as their quote currency, and they are correlated, and CAD JPY and CAD CHF has CAD as their base currency, correlated. So this is the reason we avoid trading correlated pairs. As you can see, different things are happening in both CAD JPY and AUDJPY. That's because they are correlated. So to avoid currency correlation, we'll be adding just two pairs to our watch list this coming week. If you watch our previous weekly FOREX forecast, these two pairs were on our watch list for last week. We entered just a Euro CAD, and because of that, we had just 3 running last week, and we've made entry in Euro CAD. So because of that, now we want to just watch this remaining 2 for this week. So as you can see, the first pair here is Euro USD. Now while we are at the Euro USD, by Wednesday I'll be showing you the COT for this, but technically Euro USD is a long opportunity. As you can see, the market went for impulse correction, and the next impulse is about to start. And as you can see, the region I'm targeting from here to here can give you at least a 1 to 10 or even a 1 to 20 risk to reward. But if we get a 1 to 3 or even a 1 to 6, we'll be satisfied and we'll leave the trade. Okay, the market is currently at a region where it can be rejected and it will come for a retest. Now these green rectangles here, these green stuffs here, those of you who are not my first student might not understand, but those who are in my mentorship program, who have watched the videos or who understand the video I dropped of what's the name again? Okay, the basis of multi-time frame analysis. You should understand better the reason why these green stuffs are here. You should understand better because I explain all this on the basis of multi-time frame analysis, and you should understand better what I'm doing now. But for those who are not in my mentorship program, these green stuffs here are tools we use to identify structures. We just use them to know structure area or key level, to know where the market might pull back to, or where the market can break. So okay, from here now we have identified and seen the direction. Now we'll move over to the daily time frame. From the daily time frame last week, I showed you we are supposed to short this pair, but immediately the market broke above this region. I told you the direction has changed, and I added this on Wednesday, telling you at the retest of this region we should look for a long opportunity. As you can see, the market retested with just one bearish candle, which is this red. So overall, we'll be looking for a long opportunity. Once market opens, I think once market open, we'll be looking for entry, not be looking for opportunity only, because I think the entry rules are satisfied already. All we need to do is start looking for entry. However, there are other things we'll watch out for, which if we see, we might end up not taking the entry, which I will update you after getting the COT. The COT will be on the website by Tuesday, so you can check it and start making your entries by Wednesday. I'll be making a video for it, and we might end up not taking this trade if the COT, or let me not say if the COT, we might end up not taking this trade if if we refuse to see some development we are supposed to see from the 4-hour time frame. Though the entries are certified, but we are waiting for some developments, which this area can be rejected at the market will eventually become a downtrend. But right now it's an uptrend, and we're looking forward to taking our entry once the market opens. And lastly, the last pair on our watch list is the Greenwich span and Japanese yen. You all know this pair has been our last watch list is last week, and COT is in agreement with it. Last week's COT was in agreement with it. This week's COT has been released this Friday, but it will be updated on the website by Tuesday, so you can check and see if COT is still in agreement with the long. But from what I'm seeing, it should be, because the rejections are much. Okay, let me check the weekly time frame for something. Okay, from the weekly time frame, as you can see, a double bottom was formed here, and the trend line from the weekly time frame is very, very strong. Let me see if I can get a trend line here. Okay, I could get one. Now the market might decide to pull back to test this trend line and a confluence with the structure area, or it can eventually start pushing to the upside from this region, because the market is currently okay. I don't use this pattern. I would have explained it to you. This curve pattern, I don't use it. You can see it here. You should know immediately you see something like this, you should expect the next move to the upside. You get, I don't use it, so I would have explained it better, but I know it's gonna move to the upside. So let's not waste much of our time here. Let's move back to the daily time frame. Okay, this was the trend line we drew from the weekly time frame, so we should expect something like this. So the market will move to the upside. Sorry, I'm a bit slow, and it's dark here. It's 12 a.m. and I'll be having network issues. That's why I haven't dropped the videos. So I'm trying my best. I'm dizzy right now. I feel like sleeping. I need to sleep. Let me just put it that way. I need to sleep tomorrow. Today's Sunday, 12 a.m. Sunday. I need to sleep and prepare for church as well. But just want to quickly make these videos. So GBP/JPY, you expect a long opportunity. By Wednesday, you expect the COT. Let's see what this is giving us. But I'm very sure of this trade, though not 100% sure, because no trade is 100% sure, but I'm very sure. But if our entry rules, telling you I'm sure doesn't mean you should start making entries. If our entry rules are not satisfied, I might end up not taking it, and you will end up taking it and you lose your money. So just EURUSD and GBP/JPY are the pairs we are watching out for this coming week. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so as to share to your friends and family who want free forex education. And don't forget, do not sell any free stuff to anyone. We are in forex to help each other. That's the reason for this channel. Share to your friends and family. Join us on Telegram, where we teach almost every day and share free knowledge. WhatsApp as well, view our status to get updates, and Facebook, we drop updates there, Facebook page and group. And our Instagram, though we are not that active there for now for some reasons, but our contact details are in the description below. You can get to us anytime, any day. And also, okay, once you join the Telegram group, because currently I've not started making videos on binary, which is now derived.com. We have a boom and crash strategy, but we are just focused on currency for this channel. If not, we'll start showing you our boom and crash strategy. We are doing amazingly well. And if you join the mentorship, or sorry, if you join the Telegram, you can see some testimonies there as well. So these are for now. Have a wonderful and a blessed week ahead. Thank you for watching.